What's up YouTube, it's Jono here, and today we're going to be cooking the one and only Mi Goreng Toastie. This beauty was invented by a little cafe in Sydney, Australia called Dutch Smuggler. This was so good that it even got featured on BuzzFeed as the #1 most outrageous thing you can eat in Sydney that you'll want to photograph first. I'm proudly born and bred in Sydney, so early this year I had the pleasure of visiting this little cafe and trying the Mi Goreng Toastie for myself. And let me tell you, this stuff is bloody addictive. But hey, not everyone's lucky enough to live in Sydney, so let me show you how to make this in your own kitchen. Let's go. For this recipe, we're going to need some Mi Goreng, obviously. Indomie is the OG for Mi Goreng. This is an Indonesian dish which directly translates to fried noodle. Add a packet of Mi Goreng in a saucepan and turn up the heat. Oh wait, crap, I forgot to add water. Oh no! Let's try this again. Boil some water, pour into a saucepan. Crikey! Add your Mi Goreng into the water and let it cook for 3 minutes. Since we're cooking Asian noodles, you're bound by tradition to use some chopsticks. Time to drain your water. Oh crap, it's slipping. Oh no. Oh, damn it. Nothing worse than seeing good old Mi Goreng thrown down the sink. That's heartbreaking. Season your Mi Goreng noodles with all that MSG goodness from those flavouring packets. Give everything a good old mix up. I could devour this right here, right now. Put a lid on top of your noodles. Keep it in the corner and put a dirty towel over the top to keep it hidden. You don't want anyone stealing your precious Mi Goreng noodles. Go grab an egg from your fridge. Eggs have had a stressful life, so they're naturally unhappy. As a cook, it's your job to treat your ingredients with respect. You smart, you loyal, I appreciate that. See? Much better. This also works on your boyfriend or girlfriend, by the way. But unfortunately, we must fry the crap out of our egg. Oh no, I'm leaking. Fry little baby, don't say a word. Papa gonna make you into a Mi Goreng toast. Don't know if that followed. Time to flip your egg and then transfer your baby onto a plate. Slap 2 pieces of white bread onto a chopping board and generously spread on some butter. Place your buttered side onto a cold sandwich press or fry pan. Put your cheese on, then get your Mi Goreng on there and then squeeze on your sauce, which is just basic mayonnaise. Look at that. Then top it off with your precious and also your second bit of toast. And then finally, press down your sandwich press. Toast for 2 to 3 minutes until you get a lovely golden brown colour. Transfer onto a wooden serving board because your hips are as fuck. And then cut it in half. Add a few parsley leaves on top just to make sure you're getting some healthy greens, if you know what I mean. And then finally, stack it on top like the classy bastard that you are. And this is my version of the Mi Goreng Toastie. If you want the full recipe, check in the description down below. Subscribe for the next episode. Like and comment down below what is your favourite way of making Mi Goreng. Anyways, I'm out.
Oh, look, there's a hair!
Hehehe, got him.